Hey, do you want a great plant that thrives in both sun and shade and is also drought tolerant? Well, stick around because today we're talking Turkscap. Come on, let's go. Malvaviscus arboreus, commonly known as Turkscap, Turk's turban, wax mallow, lady's teardrop, Scotchman's purse, bleeding hearts, or Mexican apple, is a member of the Hibiscus family. Malvaviscus is derived from a Greek word meaning sticky mallow, and arboreus refers to the tree-like appearance of a mature plant. It's a flowering perennial shrub native to the southeastern United States, Mexico, Central America, and South America that typically grows to 3 to 4 feet in height, but can reach heights of up to 8 to 10 feet with an equal spread. Its upper stems are green and fuzzy to the touch, while more woody towards its base. The leaves are roughly heart-shaped and up to 5 inches in diameter with rounded teeth around the edges. They are dark green, palmately veined, and velvety to the touch. By far the most outstanding feature of Turkscap are the 2 to 3 inch long scarlet red flowers, similar to unopened hibiscus blossoms that adorn its stems. The flowers remain tightly wrapped in an overlapping manner around a central column comprised of pistil and stamens that extend 3/4 of an inch or more beyond the blossom, like a small red licorice stick. The blooms that appear mostly in the summer and fall attract butterflies, bees, and hummingbirds, and the small red fruit it produces is edible not only to birds and animals, but humans as well. The fruit can be eaten raw or cooked and has a mealy texture and a taste similar to an apple. Turkscap is adapted to USDA plant hardiness zones 7 through 12 and will grow in a variety of soils ranging from clay to sandy to limestone, as long as it's well drained. Once established, it's extremely heat and drought tolerant and will grow in full sun to partial shade. They make an excellent mass understory planting beneath large trees with mature canopies. It's historically been used in some parts of the world to treat inflammation of the digestive tract. So plant some Turkscap in your yard. You'll be pleased with the plant's adaptability and rewarded with a brilliant show of red blossoms next summer and fall. Disclaimer: the traditional medicinal uses of Turkscap are listed purely for historical purposes. I am certainly not a doctor and make no claims as to their effectiveness in treating any illness or ailment. Always check with your doctor before taking any herbal supplements. In other words, do your due diligence. Don't just grab a handful of red flowers from the nearest plant and eat them in hopes of settling your upset tummy.